Alright, today I'll be going over my dirt bike. Set the flashlight down. That'll work. So far I've got Scott Grip, Scott Donut things. Those are wet for some reason. Must be leaking. Barn must be leaking. I've got a Fox. Don't know what those are called. The number is 29. It's an XR100 racing bike. Then the bike's pretty much stock. I put a newer, it was brand new, but I've used it, so it doesn't have all those little spikes. And then I've put 3 inner tubes in it. It is a 2001. And I'm going to have to get a new tire, and then I took the baffle off. Yeah. And I won't be able to talk in much of my videos, like you might hear me talking, but the way my camera's set up, you probably won't be able to hear me. And I'm sorry about the date on mine. It says 2015. It's actually, today is January 16th, 2016. And then I just remembered I got new chain and sprocket. Little bit of yellow. Other than that, I took the brush guards off because they're kind of broken. They got on my nerves. And then after that, I am missing a few bolts, like a heat shield.